Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best French Grammar Workbook is probably one of the most effective ways to master French grammar, offering a structured approach with clear explanations, diverse exercises, and ample opportunities for practice, ultimately boosting your confidence and fluency in the language. This video will delve into what makes a great French grammar workbook and help you choose the perfect one to match your learning style and goals. Number 5. French Grammar QuickStudy Guide. Learning French grammar can be challenging. This guide provides a quick and easy way to understand the fundamentals. It's your key to fluency. It packs essential grammar rules into a convenient, laminated format. You'll have all the key information at your fingertips. Whether you're a beginner or need a refresher, it's the ideal companion for your studies. It's designed for quick reference and easy understanding. Take it with you wherever you go. Its portable size makes it perfect for on-the-go learning and reference during your travels. The laminated finish ensures it's durable enough to withstand daily use. You can rely on it to be there when you need it. This handy guide makes learning French grammar simple and efficient. Start speaking French with confidence today. What we like. It's laminated for durability, making it perfect for on-the-go learning. Its concise format is ideal for quick reviews and memorization. If you need a handy reference that you can always carry with you, this is the one for you. What people say. Lots of info in a small space. Like using the verb conjugation chart, you will be able to learn and better understand how French phrases are used. Seeing the words and phrases, and learning the word pronunciations really helps you to begin to understand the spoken language. Bought this for my first-year high schooler who takes French. He loved it and put it right into his French binder. Has 3 ring binder holes punched into it. Good lamination, thick, and you can tell it will stand up through the year or two of French for an active student. It also is easy to understand and put together, so it's easy on the eyes as well as it covers the major things needed in French class. Number 4. Easy French Step-by-Step. Learn French with our step-by-step program. It's designed to make learning fun and accessible to everyone. Start with the fundamentals. It lays a solid foundation for your French language journey. Expand your vocabulary through engaging exercises and real-world examples. It will help you communicate with confidence. Understand the core grammar rules. It simplifies complex concepts, making them easy to grasp. Practice what you've learned with interactive exercises and real-life conversations. It will boost your fluency. Engage in conversations to build your fluency and confidence. It's the key to mastering any language. With our structured approach, you'll be speaking French in no time. Start your language learning adventure today. What we like. This guide breaks down grammar concepts into manageable steps. It's perfect for those just starting their French learning journey. If you are a complete beginner and prefer a gradual learning approach, this workbook is your best choice. What people say. The lessons are explicit, the exercises with answer keys in the back, the perfect introduction to a new point prior to meeting with a student and elaborate on the topic. It is well written and is indeed a great summary of beginning and intermediate French. Wonderful book, with meticulous grammar explanation and examples, followed by exercises after each section. Number 3. French Grammar for Beginners. Begin your French language learning journey with this comprehensive textbook. It's designed to make learning grammar easy and fun. This book covers all the fundamental grammar rules you need to build a solid foundation in French. Each lesson is clearly explained and easy to follow. Practice what you've learned with the included workbook. It provides plenty of exercises to reinforce your understanding. This textbook and workbook combination supercharges your French learning. It's the perfect tool to build confidence and fluency. With consistent study, it will help you progress from a beginner to a confident French speaker. Start your French language adventure today. It's your key to unlocking the beauty and richness of the French language. Start speaking French with confidence. What we like. It combines a textbook and workbook for comprehensive learning. It focuses on essential grammar for beginners. If you prefer a structured learning experience with both theoretical explanations and practical exercises, this is the ideal option. What people say. The book, which provides instruction in English, contains 30 grammatical lessons, with most focusing on verb tenses. Each lesson has several exercises as well as the answers to each exercise. This book has been the most useful text in my studies on the French language, yet. With comprehensive examples, dynamic exercises, and digestible organization overall, I highly suggest including this in your journey. The explanations are clear and concise, making complex grammar rules easy to understand. The exercises at the end of each chapter reinforce learning effectively. Number 2. Complete French Grammar Course. Learn French grammar from beginner to advanced levels. This course provides everything you need to become fluent. It covers all aspects of French grammar, ensuring a thorough understanding of the language's structure. Practice what you learn with 200 exercises designed to reinforce your knowledge and build your skills. Benefit from engaging audio and video lessons that make learning fun and effective. These resources bring the language to life. It's not just grammar, it also helps you expand your vocabulary and learn essential French expressions. Become well-rounded in your French language skills. This course is designed to take you from a complete beginner to an advanced French speaker. It's a complete learning journey. What we like. It offers a complete course from beginner to advanced levels, including audio and video lessons. It's a comprehensive resource for learners of all levels. If you want a complete package with multimedia support to enhance your learning, then this is for you. What people say. The complete French grammar course is surprisingly comprehensive, starting with the basics to build a solid foundation before getting into more advanced topics. This is a workbook with over 200 exercises that drive retention of the material. It is helped significantly by the video lessons that one can easily access on YouTube and by the audio recordings that accompany almost all sections of this book. It is just crucial to have these recordings to constantly check one's work and, very importantly, to reinforce correct pronunciation. I got the paperback version. It is a lovely textbook with lots of exercises, clear explanations, and links to accompanying audio and video materials. The format is large, 8.5 by 11, with practice materials and answers incorporated into the handsome volume should you choose to write in your copy. Number 1. French Grammar Textbook. This comprehensive textbook will take your French skills to the next level. It's designed to help you understand complex grammar concepts and build confidence. It includes a wealth of exercises to practice what you learn. You'll find plenty of opportunities to reinforce your understanding. This book is specifically tailored for intermediate students. It builds upon your existing knowledge, introducing new concepts gradually. It covers all the essential grammar points you need to know. It's your key to fluency and better communication. It's designed to be both informative and enjoyable. You'll find that learning French grammar can be fun and rewarding. It provides everything you need to improve your French grammar. Start your journey to fluency today. What we like. It's designed for intermediate learners and provides a thorough grammar review. It includes many exercises to reinforce learning. If you already have some French basics and want to improve your grammar skills, this is the one to choose. What people say. Nice 30 days split up in the book, with each day taking no more than 10 minutes. Perfect for the busy person who still wants to do challenging and stimulating French exercises once a day. I studied French 6.5 years during my high school and college years. But through the years, because I don't regularly use the language, my skills have diminished. This book, it's a great way to relearn things I've forgotten and to learn new things. The publisher offers access to audio practice sessions on their website. Excellent resource for independent practice of grammatical skills. Organized and comprehensive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.